Hello guys, welcome to my channel Toy Khajana. Today we will unbox farm animal, wild animal and pet animal. So let's get started. See, here we have various animal sets. First we will go for the farm animal. This set is called farm animals. You can see here we have various farm animals. This is farm animal. This is sea animals. This is called jungle animal. This is also called as wild animal. So many animals we have here: wild animal, sea animal, farm animal, and oh wow, this is wild animal. So nice. This is called Happy Animal World. Guys, you can see we have 6 animal inside this: lion, tiger, elephant, cheetah and all. This is called wild animals. Here we have surprise gift of Avengers car.